Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, January 21, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, January 21, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng January 21, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, January 21, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 59 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos for January 21, 2024 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Sunday, January 21, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.